Hello, everyone. Welcome again. This is another opportunity to tap into wealth building with investment. And in this episode, we are basically focusing on stock and shares. Okay. I've taken my time to explain this in the WhatsApp and Telegram group. And if you are yet to join, the link will be available in the video description on my YouTube channel. So, one of the questions you've asked that I'll be answering today is how to actually buy your first stock. Now, like I've said several times in our classes, it's not just about buying because others are buying that same stock or because we felt like the price is low, it's between 5 naira, 10 naira, 20 naira. No, that is not the basic of what we'll be learning here. Actually, number one thing before you start buying a share or stock per se is that you should have make research and analysis on that stock to say that this stock is actually going to pay you. For example, I have seen a stock drop from 20,000 naira flat back to about 300 and something naira. Imagine. So if you have actually purchased that stock when it was 20,000 and you bought, let's say, 100 units, imagine how much that is. And by the time the price drop, in fact, you'll be having minus. Yes, I actually have a scenario with stock like that I bought some times ago when I don't have the knowledge of what stock is about. And I'm going to show you that briefly. Now, take a look at my portfolio. You see that my dollar stock I have $1 plus, but in my Nigerian stock I have minus 2,000 plus. That's crazy, right? Yes, that's because I don't have an understanding of what stock is as at that time. So when I bought the stock, then I just look at random stock and I just purchase one, and it has been dropping ever since then. Imagine. So look at this stock, for example. Now I only have one stock in this Nigerian as portfolio, and by that stock I am still indebted to my stockbroker. So imagine. So you don't just want to buy any stock because others are buying it, or because you've checked the price is between 5 naira or 4 naira, like some of the ones you can see on screen right now. So you want to actually make sure that this particular stock is promising and will yield over time. Okay, let's say for example, when I bought Zenith shares last year, I bought it for 15 naira per Zenith stock. I mean to say, I bought it for 15 naira per shares, which means 15 naira per one unit, and I bought 1,000 plus units. Now, if we look at Zenith as in this place, right in this place, which is not up to 10 months from when I actually got that, Zenith is now 129 naira. Can you see? So, which means that this particular stock has risen over the last few months. Can you, though the increase is not really that great, but at least it's a profit on my side. If I bought a stock for 15 naira and I bought 1,000 plus, let's assume I bought 1,000 units, that's 15,000. And if you go by this now, I'm having 129,000 in my portfolio. That is one of the things you have to consider. Is this stock actually really going to grow? What are the factors that might affect the fall and rise of this stock? I have explained that in the Telegram channel. So you can actually use the link in the video description to actually get all of that detail. I'm going to show you one more stock here before I move on. Okay, so another one is MTN. As that's when MTN was introduced to me about 2 years ago, MTN was selling for about 8 naira thereabout, and as that today, it has increased by 100%. That is 800 naira as that of today. So which means that if I have bought MTN shares of 8,000, that's 1,000 units 2 years ago, by today, when I multiply that to 1,000 units by the present price, I have made profit. So one thing I wanted you guys to know about this is that for the NGX market, that is the Nigerian trading market, the market always open by 9 a.m. and closes by 4 p.m. And we also have extended hours that allow you to trade in the night. Okay, now how do you buy your first stock? Let's assume you'll be buying Zenith stock. So after you've log in your app and you move to the invest section, depending on the app you're using, this is Bamboo for example, you click on Zenith, and when you click on Zenith, you come to this buy option here. So when you click on buy, first off, you can see that it says market close, which means that this buying trade will definitely not go through. So I'll click on buy, and you need to know the current price, which is 129 naira. So as that when you are buying, you need to take note of the price. So if I click on buy, there are two type of buy. There is a buy now which we your order will match with the available price and quantity in the order book. That is, the quantity available and the current price is at the price you'll be buying. Then we also have limit order. Okay, this allow you to set the exact price and quantity at which you want your order to be executed. For example, it is at 129. No, I want to buy it at 128. I can actually set my order to that. But if that, let's say for example, as it is 129, if by tomorrow it tries to 132, that my order will fail because it doesn't meet the target price. So if I use the buy now option, the next thing is I have to click on I understood this and continue with market order. Okay, then I have to type in the quantity that I want. So first off, you have to look at your wallet balance also. So with my wallet balance, I can buy 600 units, for example. Do you see that? So once I'm able to enter the number of units I want, immediately at the bottom part, it calculates the total worth of that unit that I want to buy. Then there's also a particular charges that will be applied, about let's say 300 naira at most, that will be applied to your order. So you want to actually add that to your current balance so that you don't have insufficient account notification. So once that is set and you have done all that, just click on review order. Then you can see it says insufficient because I don't have sufficient. Then also another thing to note is that the minimum order you can buy is okay, let's even say I'm buying, let's say 10, which is not up to my balance. But the minimum stock you can buy is 5,000 naira worth stock. So if I try to initiate this, you can see the order could not be processed because the minimum allowed trade is 5,000 naira. Okay, so once I have 5,000 and I click on review order, it's bring out another page that asks me to confirm. Then once I click on confirm, that trade will be executed if the price of the stock did not change before the successful execution of my order. So that is just how to go about that. So the moment your what's it called? The moment your stock purchase is successful, you have it available in your dashboard and you can see your total balance in your dashboard, be it US dollar account or naira balance. You'll be able to see all the stock you've purchased in your naira account or dollar account. So that's just how to go about buying stocks with NGS platform. Thank